Hey guys, we're back with another install here. Let's check out what we got going on. So today we are putting on the 034 strut tower brace. Got this from another B9 owner, as I previously mentioned. I guess he got rid of his car, had this sitting around, so I got a super good deal on it. So figured why not. Obviously this is not where it goes. I'm gonna be removing the two outer braces here, popping up the center there. This actually will sit kind of back further. Should be pretty straightforward. You just got to get behind the rain tray there for a couple of bolts. Make sure everything stays loose before you tighten it, and then torque it to spec because you don't want to strip something or over tighten. Because yeah, if you over tighten, you're gonna have a bad day. But what I'm gonna do is get you all set up on the tripod, and we'll do a little DIY. So let's go. And oh yeah, and I almost forgot, Archer is out here with me today helping out again. He was whining at the door wanting to come out and hang out, so he's just kind of sniffing around and checking things out. I think he really wants to help today though, so we'll see how that goes. Alright, so first thing, I'm going to get all this out of the way, set it aside until later. And we probably don't have to, but I'm going to pop off the engine cover just to make it a little bit easier to access. Give me a little bit more room. First things first. Pull off your rubber. That's what she said. So as you can see with that removed, you have access to the two bolts that are back there. There's one and two. There's one here and there's one here. The front two are going to be a 13 mil. So 13 mils. And the rears are a 13 mil nut. Two 13 mil nuts there. Next, we are just going to lift it out with the gasket intact. Same with the other side. See, gasket's intact. Alright, once you get those out, what you want to do is just reinstall the gasket on the 034 piece. And then we're going to go ahead and put these back in, making sure to reinstall the gasket properly so it lines up with the firewall. That one's in place. Let's do the other side. Alright, as you can see here, got both gaskets in place. Back here, the studs are just on there. There's no hardware in it yet. That's going to be the next step after I put in the cross brace. Cross brace, obviously logo up. That's in place. We're going to go ahead and put the two 13 mil nuts back on. And I'm just going to go finger tight with these because again, you want to make sure everything is lined up before installing all the hardware and torquing it to spec. Alright, so 034 in the kit does include 4 brand new recessed M8 hardware. This is going to go on the 4 spots in the front. So just to show you, there, and there. So everything is finger tight I'm gonna go ahead and get everything snugged down, and then we're gonna go over the torque specs, which are provided by 034. I've got everything snugged down. As you can see, everything's in there nice and flush. The rear bolts as well. So for the front, these are 5mm Allens. These on the cross brace are going to be 35 Newton meters. The rear 13mm nuts back there are going to be 20 Newton meters. And then the fronts here and here are 25 Newton meters. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and get these torqued down, put the engine cover back on, and show you guys final result. Torque down to Archer's approval. Let's go ahead and actually put the rubber back on first. And the engine cover. And there you have it. 034 strut tower brace is installed, torque to spec, good to go, everything is put back together. That's it for that video. So this probably took me 20-30 minutes, maybe max, and that's with filming and showing you guys how to do stuff. So honestly, you can do this with some basic tools, 13 mils, 5 mil, Allen key or Allen sockets, and a torque wrench. That's literally all you need. Archer, what do you think, buddy? Is it good? He just wants to go outside and play. But yeah, that's it for now. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, want to know, if I feel it after install, anything like that, just leave it down below, and I'll be sure to answer you guys. Stay tuned for probably some more parts from 034. I like a lot of their chassis stiffening pieces that they have, rear subframe, rear diff mount, all that kind of stuff. So I might be picking that up in the future, and I might do their brake setup as well for the B9 now. They released a floating rotor. Don't need brakes quite yet, but I know when I do, I'm going to go ahead and just swap to them and make the upgrade. But yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I see when you guys subscribe. I see the comments. I really appreciate all the support. I'm trying to make this a full-time thing for myself. So hopefully this year, 2022, is the year to do that. Thanks again, and y'all take care. You gonna say bye? Say bye. Bye.